But yeah. Sexy.
Da 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 da, ba bang gang gang.
Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready. I had to rush. I don't know if I wore my chuba properly, but yeah. And I'm ready to head out. It's like already 6. I have to be there by 7. Still debating if I wanna take a cab and go there or walk. I'm really scared and nervous. I don't know, like the feeling, because it's my first time like meeting and seeing His Holiness the Dalai Lama in person. So yeah, let's see how it goes, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Bye. Surfing out right now. Yeah. Nobody's here, so I don't know if I should walk or take the cab, but let's see. We'll figure it out. I feel like I'm so bright, but yeah. Oh, thank you. And you can tell it's way too early, but yeah, I'm gonna walk by myself. So thankfully I asked one of the ladies. She was like, you don't really have to rush because you have to wait till everyone gets in by 8 o'clock. So I was like, okay. So I decided that I'm gonna take a walk. So thankfully, for the first time, this block is like empty. Last night, it was packed. So yeah, there's so many momolas going for Kora. And I'm also going, taking a walk down the streets of Dharamsala. Right now it's too early, but usually all these stores are like open. So far the weather is nice and I'm enjoying the weather, and I hope it goes well. I'm so nervous because I'm going alone and I want to like try to update every moment. I don't think I can take my phone once I get there, but let's see. Make an entrance. Oh my god, the last time I walked in here was like 8 years ago. But yeah. So I almost forgot to buy kada. Thankfully I remembered as I step into the Kora. And when I was little, these used to be so big. But now it looks fine. Looks like regular size. But when I was little, it was so small. I used to walk up these hills. I don't know which way.
2 hours later.
Just finished. Oh my god. It was so nice. I just met up with my mom.
Same official.
Mom checking
Mama checking on the so just check them day. My house has a giant mom.
Oh, mama was 아니, 아미치 별을 들었었어. 아미치도 스카이나 땀날래라미 망고 모두다. 들었었어. 스카이 들었었어. 아니, 이니셨어. 몰라. 낙봤어. 야고 빼제라. 소데테 첨보 처레스.
Linda, you
아마 찍스 데라 이거 찍고 차가.
come to the mama there's a passion and Niman Borough.
나는데 다시 하고 싶니?
Season of
세상.
doesn't love any kiran that and I am with Sanjin, she said, Chappy, Jungle Nanson, and PCG Chama Rasso, and Penavas and Chimbo, and Jiman Young Jab and around the same name, just.
그러면 어디 세워라?
내 다음에 이런 거
샘체 근데 동해매야 그 영어 처스. 아니 셔망아 너는 뭐라고 약부터
신이 담배 나서 손님도 튀대요. 도와줄 투글 도와줄 투세네 도와줄 투 냐와 이탄 상마 여라 어디도 도와줄 투 심제 다 튀는 심제 탐제 도와줄 투 심제 탐제 된다 대바 투바 쇼스 심제 탐제 대바 용어서 지시 남가 내바 담고 지시 내기도 지시 담네 도레 좀 사소리는 첨부 남가 시도 아까 심제 파도면 남는 그냥 좋으면
아니 뭐 완전히 먼저 한 삼삼 말람 게게 인들라나 두저라 가래 땅아이나 땅을 내가 약고 지라 쇼야 되게
요가야 꼴찌 자와 쇼스 이댕아랑 직비 된다면 나기 보용에 당아랑 직비 된다면 심제 망고랑에 기우 담반낭 신지기 편데 두바지 쇼 상지기 kuye chinlam juba, chunge chinlam juba, dene ngale pe, semje donlange, semje khanda chinglange, chembune penba che tuba shu, sene mulanda. Tijena ane susoso kewa pampunin sa.
지금 부대라.
Chena pute, jena japu shuye le ya khanda.
안 되잖아. 너무 많지라.
Ane tene ya chinche, Tsuglagkhang la chenje che, ane kuma yede chenje joye le ta.
아니야.
누가 완전 흉흉해.
진짜하다.
누가 완전 쉬어. 근데 먹을 것으로 약간 반대로 됐어. 이게 되게 동고 배두고 누가 완전 나온지 좀 겨워 쉬는 거. 차. 여기 문제 들어. 문제 차.
저기 걸로 약용사.
좋아요. 특성만 좋아하시는 거. 어떤 잘. 마트는 보니까 마틴지 너가 얘는 돈 줘지 그.
어디 가라 줘.
말이 다들 뒤좀 펴서지도 와.
근데
맞지?
맨날 이렇게 내라.
뭐지는 거는 공개나 미슈. 뭐도 나도 감감 먹으러 와. 아니지. 내 반다 좀 가서지도 와. 이거 그냥 계산 하얀 올로나 안지는 잠재도. 잠재 초본 충주지는 뭐도 좀 거기는 잠재 초본 충주지는 마탱기가 방금이면 잠재 충주지 딱딱 방금이 따버린 거 정말 대단한 거.
오늘 공부 해봤어.
와, 생제 나와. 당연히 그 요원이 그게 완전 생제. 이 디벨롭 친구 유튜브 쇼트를 쓰는 거.
So everyone's trying to get their blessing. Stuff they. So I forgot to bring my tenga and all, but I had this, so I got blessing on top of this. Other people got mad big like stuff, but I forgot.
여기는 이렇게 됐다. 야, 만두고 내가 내자. 니네 단도 뭐 부대라. 제비 총.
Buffet de la vie, mango et
아이. 뭐 얘나 뭐다.
Ah d'accord. Thank you, good. So we just had breakfast, but I didn't get to record. We had buffet for breakfast. Breakfast buffet. Lango! Damn! It looks sexy.
넘버 10이야, 그도.
Come on, sexy.
랑고 좀 붙여졌다.
Mama şiirde. Da. Come on. We don't want. 엄마 야가라. 신나라. So fat. 보고 얘기를. Hey guys, so I just got back home. I had a good walk. We ate breakfast and then we took a good walk. And it's so hot, I can't wait to take this out. But sum up the day, right now it's currently like 11:30. I left my hotel around 6, yeah. Because I had to get there at 7. It was a really beautiful moment. We weren't allowed to take our phones. Couldn't capture the precious moment, but I almost cried. Like my tear was still here. It almost came out, but I was trying so hard to control because everyone around me was like tearing up and crying, so it was very hard to control. I couldn't say much, like, because I was just so like scared, nervous, happy, like all emotions. And I feel so blessed to see like His Holiness the Dalai Lama so close. It's really my first time. I have seen him when I was little during his teachings and stuff. So yeah, it was a very beautiful moment. And now I'm full of sleep, so I'm just gonna head back to bed. Yeah, that's about it. That's okay, and I'll catch you guys later. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but for now, I'm just gonna get a nap. And yeah, that's about it.